Hi guys, today I will show you my grandpa's bricks factory. The brick factory is spread in a large area. You can see rainy water log in the surrounding areas and creates a beautiful scenery along the routes. Prepared bricks are arranged in a particular pattern to give them stability. Bricks production is a straightforward process. The clay is collected and brought closer to the brickyard, and then it's mixed with water to a right consistency. The wet clay then put into the wooden molds. The production process mostly carried out by hands. It involves lot of labor, stress, and thus real injuries. Once the bricks are dry, it is put into the fire. Now I will show you the view from the top. In the next video, I will show you the detailed procedure of the bricks manufacturing. Till then, bye and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.